Hi, I wanted to give you two quick tips on how I navigate through a large workbook with a lot of tabs in it. So you could probably see down here at the bottom that I have quite a few tabs, and some people probably don't know this, but here's our quick navigation through here. You can simply click on each arrow and it will go through each tab individually. So that's one way to do it, and then you can find the cell that you want to do. Another thing that you can do is probably jump to the front or back or to the beginning or the end just by holding the control key and the button. So you can see here that if I hit the control key, it will jump all the way to the end, or if I hold the control key and hit this, it will jump all the way to the beginning. So you could see all of these, and it's like maybe that's the one that I want to select. That would work. Or you can hit the control key and jump all the way to the end and then find your tab there. So that's one way of jumping back and forth and trying to find the tab quickly. Another way that you might do it is doing the right click button on those as well, and then you'll get a list of everything that you have here, all of your tabs. And so then you can quickly find the tab that you want to go to, click on it, or you can also double click on it and it will jump to that tab as well. Another thing that I like to do quite a bit is hyperlinks. And if you want to use hyperlinks, it's really very simple. You can see that I have like back to SOV, which is our schedule of values page. You can see right here is our SOV, so I could simply do that. Or if I'm in the sheet and working on it a lot, I can simply click here and go to the SOV sheet. And I also conversely like to be able to jump back to those tabs, and so I've created hyperlinks here as well. So if I wanted to go to this one, 013420, it should take me to 013420. Now simply here I could probably just find it, or just click on that hyperlink, it takes me to that page. So how do we set that up? It's really very easy, and it shouldn't take any time at all. So let's just like undo this hyperlink real quick and just show you how it's going to do. So it kind of deleted my formatting. Let me go up here, and I just want to kind of format it itself. So I want to do Format Painter, bring that in just so it looks the same. But I want you to notice one thing here. Even though it looks the same, it has the same it's turned blue and it's underlined, but it's not acting the same. If I click in this cell, it's not going to do anything yet because it's not our hyperlink. Now, if you see here, this is hyperlinked and it brings up the little hand and it tells you where it's going to jump to. So something to pay attention to. So this is the one that we wanted to create for the hyperlink. So simply click on it and right click, and we want to link down at the bottom. Now, something to pay careful attention to is the way that it's going to go to is you want to make sure that it's in place in this document. You don't want a new document or anywhere else, this document. And it's going to bring up probably two major things, is probably define names, which is the print area. And typically I don't really care to hyperlink to print areas. So I need to make sure that I jump up here, and this is going to go to the cell reference, and you could tell it to go to a specific cell reference. Typically 1A is fine enough for me. And then just scroll down and find that sheet that you want to go to. And this one is 013420 and 01, that one, and select OK. And now it is a hyperlink, and it will take me to sheet 013420. So, two quick tips on how to quickly navigate through a workbook with a lot of sheets in it, and I hope that helps you. Thanks.